Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a grilled summer squash and red onion salad with feta cheese on a Memphis Wood Fire Grill. So the first thing that we want to do is to start mixing the vinaigrette for the salad. So whisk together the garlic, the Dijon mustard, the maple syrup, the vinegar, and the olive oil in a small bowl and keep cool in the fridge. So when the vinaigrette is ready, it's now time to prepare the summer squash, the red bell peppers, and the red onion. So start by cutting the summer squash lengthwise into 1/4 inch thick slices. You want to cut through the root end of the red onion and cut it into 8 wedges. And then you want to seed and halve the red bell peppers and cut into smaller strips. You want to toss the squash, the bell pepper, and the red onion with some olive oil to coat, and then season generously with salt and black pepper. Then you want to skewer the onions and the red bell pepper because they will grill much easier that way. So now all the vegetables are prepared, they're seasoned, they're skewered. So it's time to set up the Memphis Wood Fire Grill, 550 degrees grill mode, and you want to use fruitwood pellets. You want to place the squash and the skewered bell pepper and onion on the grate and grill until grill marks appear and they're cooked through. This will take about 3 minutes for the squash and 5 minutes for the skewered onion and bell peppers. When the veggies are grilled, place them together with the Baby Arugula, the Baby Spinach, and the Feta cheese on a platter and pour the reserved marinade on top. Sprinkle with some red pepper flakes. The last thing that you want to do is to give everything a light dusting of a good veggie rub. We use our own Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. And that is how you make a grilled summer squash and red onion salad with feta cheese on the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. If you like this light and refreshing summer recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel and check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. And I think the only thing left for me to do now is to try this recipe and see what it tastes like. Light, refreshing, great charred flavor from the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.